Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 72, 35 and thickness is 10 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude. The base is on the top plane. Select top plane. Create one center rectangle. Give the dimensions 72 mm, 35 mm. So there is a fillet 12 mm, okay. So finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm, okay. Next here there is a one cutout. Select this face, sketch, select here corner rectangle, give the dimensions, height is, this is 5 mm, height is 4 mm. So finish sketch, extruded cut. Here we can select through hole, okay. Next select this surface, sketch. You can see there is a one flange, that height is 50 mm, width is R15 means 30 mm. Select circle, create two circles, give the dimensions 30 mm, this is 12 mm, height from the base is 50 mm. Give the vertical constraint here, select line, so finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 8 mm, again select this sketch, extrude, select this face only, thickness is 5 mm, okay. Select fillet, give the dimension 15 mm, select the edges. Next there is a 10 mm thickness rib and height is 40 mm. For that select plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions, so finish sketch, select rib, reverse the direction, thickness is 10 mm, okay. For ISO view, press Ctrl 7, select this face, sketch, there is a two holes, create two circles, friends, here we can do select, just stop the mouse here, you will get the point. Same do this side also. So now give the whole dimensions. $13.5. So in this case, no need to give XY dimensions. Finish sketch, extrude cut. Here select through all. Okay. Control 7. So you can compare both the parts. If anything is missing, leave the comment below, friends. Assign the material. Steel. In the steel, go with brushed steel. We can assign color here. So which color you required, you can assign there. So that's it, friend, today's session. I hope you liked the session, and also requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.